Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to change aspect ratio in Premiere Pro in 2025. So I will show you both the manual method and the automatic, that is much quicker one. Whether you're reformatting for social media or just adjusting your frame for a creative project, this guide will show you exactly how to do it in 2025. Let's dive in. So in order to do this, first of all, open Premiere Pro on your PC, then navigate to the project that you're working on. Now after navigating to your project, you'll have to locate your timeline sequence, and if you want to manually change the aspect ratio, here's what to do. Go to the top menu, click on sequences option, then click on sequence settings. From here, you will see options for frame size just right here. Under video, you will see frame size. Let's say you want to convert your video into a vertical format for platforms like Instagram Reels or TikTok, which typically uses a 9:16 aspect ratio. So change the frame size from the standard 1920 x 1080 to 1080 into 1920. Now, this switches your video to a vertical layout. I will click on OK. Now keep in mind though that this method will not automatically reposition your subject. So after adjusting the frame size, you will likely need to manually scale and position your clip to make sure the subject is centered and framed properly. So you'll have to choose the left side panel, click on your video timeline and scale your subject. Position it in the frame properly to make it look better. Now here's a faster and a smarter method using Premiere's auto reframe feature. First, click to highlight your clip in the timeline. Then head over to the top menu and click sequence and scroll down to auto reframe sequence. Once you're into the auto reframe settings, look for the target aspect ratio button, that is just right here. So choose this drop down, expand that and select your desired format. Let's say we are going with the 9:16, that is vertical format. Now you'll have to click on create button. Now Premiere Pro will automatically analyze your video, track your subject and adjust the position and scale up to keep them in frame. This saves you a ton of time, especially when reformatting content for different platforms. And that's it. You have successfully changed the aspect ratio of your video using both manual and automated tools inside Premiere Pro. Whether you're repurposing content or creating platform-specific edits, now you have two easy methods to get it done. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more editing tips, and let me know in the comments what you like to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.